What's up guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable assistive touch in iPhone. So first thing you gotta do is go to settings, and once you scroll down you will find the search option here. Just type in assistive touch and go to the settings, and once you are on assistive touch just enable this. So you will find the small square on your screen and you can add as many shortcuts as you want. For example, here I can see device settings, control center, then customs and how to directly open Siri, and also analytics. Also, if you want to set up any customization menu, you can just go to custom actions, and for example I have set up double tap as screenshot, so I don't need to click on my home and power button every time. I can just tap twice this button and it will take a screenshot. That's easy. And the other thing is you can also set up customized top level menu. For example, right now there are 6 icons. I can set up the way I want. Let's say instead of this showing analytics, I'll just put it for pay, and done. And once you click on the small square, it will show you the pay option. And one more thing is you can also set up opacity of the small square. Like I like it to be as transparent as possible. If you don't like it this way, you can increase the opacity or you can decrease it. And the last thing is you can also set up custom new gesture. We'll make a separate video to show you what custom new gesture is, but for now I just wanted to show you that how easy it is to set up assistive touch to add direct or shortcuts on your screen and make any of the operations as easy as possible. So I hope you like this video. If yes, do give thumbs up and subscribe for more updates. And if you have any questions or if you have any other suggestions for my video, feel free to drop it in comments, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.